Today we present a simple grilled chicken breast recipe accompanied by some exotic vegetables. Imagine a whole platter of this goodness on a single plate at a dining table. We have kept the ingredients ready. Please check the description section for the details and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes. To start with, I am using purple cauliflower, rainbow carrots, Brocillini and red skin potatoes. You can use any available vegetables. First, I'll season the chicken with salt, followed by crushed black pepper. Then I'll sprinkle paprika powder, a little amount of chilli flakes, garlic powder, and then oregano. I'll allow the chicken to marinate for at least half an hour. This makes it super succulent on grilling. I am using purple cauliflower. The purple color is because of the presence of an antioxidant called anthocyanin. I'll be microwaving it for a couple of minutes by adding very little amount of water so that the nutrients are maintained. And to maintain the bright purple color, I'll drizzle few drops of cooking oil. This vegetable is anti-diabetic, anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory. Now the chicken has got marinated thoroughly. For coating it, I'll be using little amount of wheat flour and grated Parmesan cheese. Mix it thoroughly and give a generous coating over the marinated chicken breast. The chicken breast remains soft and juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside on grilling. I have heated a grilling pan. I'll drizzle a little amount of cooking oil. I am using this cured balls from Origano. Check the description section for the details. Let me start grilling the chicken breast on a very low flame. It's a satisfying sizzle. Once it is done thoroughly, let me flip it and grill it on the other side. Throughout the process, I maintain the flame low. Once it is grilled, I'll allow it to rest for at least 10 minutes so that all the juices gets redistributed within the meat. Then I'll add a little amount of butter to the grill pan. I have already boiled the potatoes. Let me start grilling it. Then let me place the cauliflower which I have microwaved. I am just sauteing all this for a couple of minutes. I'll also place the carrots. I am using rainbow carrots which are very tasty and a very good source of components which are anti-inflammatory. Now the potatoes are grilled. It is the time to take out all the veggies and start arranging it on a platter. Then the last veggie that I am using is Brocillini. I have cut the stems. First I'll saute it for a couple of minutes, followed by the florets. Throughout, I have kept the potatoes so that they get a nice brown char. Times, broccoli tend to lose the nutrients. How do you restore it? Here is a simple trick. Once you have sauteed it, add a little amount of mustard. There is a small love story between broccoli and mustard. Mustard helps in restoring the lost nutrients in broccoli to some extent. This broccolini is one form of broccoli. Now all the veggies goes into the platter along with the grilled chicken and it is ready for serving. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.